Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about the general topic. So we're not going to discuss about the college stuff, and we're not going to discuss about the some internships. So we're not going to cover anything today. We're going to discuss about what is happening around us. So why I'm making the video is because you might be student, you might working profession. So even instead of building a profile and instead of building a career, instead of focusing on professional work, you should know what is happening around us. So as a citizen of the country, you should know what's happening around us. So that's the reason I'm making this video, guys. So I'm going to grab all the news which have been past 1 week. So I'm going to collaborate those news. I'm going to share with you guys. Yes, guys, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to discuss about in today's topic is this COVID, guys. So when I say what is happening on us right now, we are facing second wave in our country. So we should know what is happening. So what is happening around us. So let's do this in detail, guys. So the first thing when I say COVID, so everyone has this question in mind: when is COVID going to get over? So as second wave, we have second wave right now. When second wave is going to get over? So I did few research. So I almost spent 2 days to find this research work, guys. So I got some data from some developed countries. So I had 4 countries in my list: USA and UK, Russia and German. So when I did some research on this, so those countries, so in those countries, the second wave started in the month of November, guys. So first, let's discuss about USA. So in USA, the second wave started in the month of November. So they almost had the cases till Jan. So if you see the data I ping in image here, just look at the image, guys. So the second wave started in November month. In November, they had moderate amount of cases. In December, it gets slightly list, and Jan they had a peak. So when you see the result of USA, they had a peak in Jan. So after the peak in Jan, in February the cases started reducing, guys. So when you look at the US data, so it says that in USA they had 4 months of the second wave. When you compare the same data UK, so in UK the cases started in October, and then as you see October they had a moderate cases. In November the cases just gradually increasing, and December they had a peak, and Jan they cases are reducing, guys. When you see the cases in Russia, so even Russia you can see the data, but one thing about Russia is that they had a gradual increase. So when you compare to US and UK, they had low and then high and then low. When you compare Russia data, they had a slight it is step by, so you can use staircase. They had a cases from staircase, and they had a peak in month of November, December, and the cases started reducing in month of Jan. So even in Germany, same case as US and UK. So after analyzing all the data, so I collected from few articles and few newspapers. One thing I understand is in India, we can accept the second wave can reduce in month of July or June end, guys. So I guess in India, the second wave started in month of April. So when I take 4 months of developed countries, so in developed countries, one thing good about developed countries that they had less population. When compared to India, we had a huge population. We don't have this kind of sanitization facilities here. So you can see that people won't follow rules here as compared to those countries. So not all people, there are few people, they're not following the protocols which are implemented by government. So that's the reason I'm estimating that when you compare 4 months in their country, we can accept 6 months in India, guys. So we started in India, the COVID second wave started in the month of April, May, June, July. So I guess in mid of July or else end of the July, we can accept the second wave can get over from India, guys. So even some news says you might have heard of third wave. So when I say third wave, the ICMR just suggested the third wave is going to affect the young children. So the age group of below 17, guys. So why I'm going to suggest few things how can we get it off from third wave, guys. So before getting third wave, we should be alert of this third wave, guys. The first thing I should advise the citizens of a country is, guys, you just need to follow all the protocols which are implemented government, and you just need to advise your kids and parents follow all the protocols, and if possible get vaccination of parents, guys. So I can see surrounding of us, everyone get afraid of getting vaccine. So it's our response as a youth, as a college student, as a youth of the country. We just need to advise the parents and elderly people get vaccination, guys. So I guess probably India here, I read few news articles in Times of India and Hindu newspapers. So India is they are working hard to get a vaccine maximum pools. So it's our responsibility as a youth and young nations of the in country. We should advise our parents to get a vaccine as soon as possible, guys. Why? Because to avoid this third wave, we should everyone at least the age group of 40 to 50, they just need to get a vaccine as soon as possible, guys. So and then the government. So when it comes to government, they should not be they should focus on building some hospitality as soon as possible. So you can see because of the second wave, many states they couldn't able to offer the oxygen cylinders, they couldn't able to offer the proper medication for the patients. So after after completing second wave, so every country, every state should like focus on the developing their healthcare guys. So that's the only way to get out of the third wave guys. So lockdown, when it comes to lockdown, I won't recommend, I won't think lockdown is efficient. Why? Because COVID is not going to anywhere guys. We just need to live with it. We just need to adapt to it. At least we need to adopt it at least for 2 years. We just need to adopt, we just need to follow all the precautions. When I say precautions, nothing like, it's not a huge stuff to follow precautions. They're simple things, just wear mask and use sanitize, and don't go in groups, and just follow social distance. Do all the, like, these are the basic necessary and which are helpful for you guys. So that's the reason I just want to share when second wave is going to end guys. So if you want to, like, if as a citizen, if you want to get out third wave, just follow all the protocols which are implement government. And as a government, I just advise government to just focus on healthcare system as soon as possible to get rid of third wave. So we cannot still keep on lockdowns when third wave arrives. We just need to go work, and as country GDP, like, GDP is important for every country guys. So we cannot sit at home, like, we cannot sit here for months and months, so because of GDP is going to reduce. So that's not going to happen. That's the reason why government should focus on building the healthcare guys. That's one suggestion for the government. And as a citizen, it's our responsible to just advise the elder people and your parents, just vaccinate as soon as possible. Even if possible, you can get a vaccination guys. They have online portals open, you can register your name. So they're going to come to your home and do vaccination. If possible, you can go nearby hospital and get vaccine guys. So it is about the COVID guys. So you might be heard about the black fungus. So I didn't find the good article black fungus guys. So black fungus basically is a fungus. So those who don't know what is fungus, let me share in detail guys. So fungus is nothing but, let's say you have a garden at your home. So you store the water. So you store the water in one bucket. So you didn't use the water for 1 week. So after 1 week, if you look at the bucket, you might see some green color, green color paste over it. So those things are fungus guys, even those things algae. So when that fungus get infected by the virus of I don't know what's the name of virus. So if the fungus get infected by this particular virus, that's called black fungus guys. The symptoms of black fungus, some report says that you might be have like small drops of black color liquid coming from your nose, and you might be in critical case you might just lost your vision. So basically it's going to affect your throat and lungs, so respiratory problems arise guys. So be careful guys. So that's what I want to suggest you, follow all the precautions. So at the end, I want one suggestion for students guys. So as friends, as a students, so don't think this lockdown as a vacation guys. Don't ever think lockdown as a vacation. Don't waste your time guys. Do like some productive tips. As you know, the world is going to change. The world is going to tougher. So right now everyone are just focused on IT companies. So the world is going to change guys. Getting a basic amount of salary is going to be tougher job for the upcoming generations guys. So I just want suggestion for every student, just focus on and develop develop good skills and adapt to the latest technology and do interested work guys. That's what I want to suggest you do. Just focus on your interested goals and do your interested works. That's what I want to suggest you. Don't ever think this lockdown as a vacation guys. Even like you can apply for internships. So when I say internship, every student has one mentality in this, one question in their mind: why should I do unpaid jobs? Yes guys, I agree that unpaid jobs is not going to work too. Instead of wasting time and sitting at home watching movies and Netflix, you can do unpaid internship, get some experience, get certificates from them. You can use the experience of working in a professional way. So this one I suggest you. And one more thing, like, I'm not asking you to spend 24 hours in a day. You can do all the work whole day, and you can spend at least 3 to 4 hours watching movies in Netflix and Hotstar, and then you can do all this stuff in social media. Just spend 4 hours for that, and remaining hour just spend on this guys. So why? Because I know, like, many of us know, like, getting a good amount of salary, good amount of job is not going to easy after this COVID gets over guys. It's going to be a tougher job for everyone. So we just need to face for it. If you want to face, you just need to ready for it guys. You just should prepare for everything guys. That's one suggestion I want to give for college students. When it comes to school students, so I know the schools, plus students are very pressured in the state. So because of exams, they have been preparing for months. So exams keep on postponing. So I don't know, like, I just praying like let's hope for the exams coming soon guys for you guys. So apart from plus 2, those the below students, just develop your skills by reading books every day guys. So I know when you comes in college, you don't be finding time to read books as when compared to school life. Just start a habit of reading books and try to read newspapers and try to build your vocabulary and learn the basic of computer like Excel, PPT and PowerPoint. Just know all the basic computer guys. So when it comes to college, it's going to be easy for you. And when it comes to working profession, I want to give one suggestion. So in this logging, you might have so much of time to spend with your family. And when it comes to like a working day before this corona, you just need to go office. So you just need to work for 24 hours for office. When it comes to lockdown, you're just sitting at home guys. So just spend some time on like learning investment. So I was keep on saying from our first video on in my channel, investment is the best key for everyone in this world guys. So try to learn some like how to invest in stock market and just invest your salary. So I have my own video on investment. If you didn't watch it, do watch and link in I can discussion guys. So I was keeping the saying on this, follow the 50-30-20 rule guys. So as a working professional, you just need to invest, start learning those tips and just invest money in some stock market, mutual funds and gold, even Bitcoin guys. So I have recently invested in Bitcoin. You can even use the Bitcoin as investment guys. So these are tips I want to give three domains guys. I hope this video helps you. So this is the first video on our channel of discussing about general topics guys. So I hope like every weekend we can discuss about the general topics, what is happening around us. So it's going to be good for me because I'm reading some newspapers because of making this video. I'm getting some updates about what is happening around us. I'm going to share all the tips, all the things which I gathered, I'm going to share with you. So it's going to be great exposure guys. That's it for today's video. And if still didn't join the Discord channel, link in description guys. Do join Discord channel. We have started already so many events over there. Don't miss out the opportunity guys. Do join Discord channel. We are waiting for you over there. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you soon. Bye.